Hey everybody, this is Jason. I'm at 2016 IBS. We're back in the Haiku booth with Alex. This is the second part. We first talked about some lighting fixtures that were really innovative, have controls, have the ability to change color. Now we'd like to talk about your roots, which is in fans. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, well, a lot of people know us for being big-ass fans. We cut our teeth in industrial overhead ceiling fans, and people actually started putting our 10, 12, 14-foot fans in living rooms, at which point we knew that there was a huge opportunity to make a really quality fan, one that's hand-balanced, silent, energy efficient, better materials, a lot of area for improvement in ceiling fans. So several years ago, we launched the Haiku fan. And since then, we've really introduced some innovative control options for the fan that can automate it to your comfort preferences and also to conserve energy. The first thing is the SenseMe technology that we talked about on the light. It's a little bit different on the fan, but we have onboard occupancy detection as well as temperature and humidity.
And you have the ability to put the light fixture that we showed in the first video. Actually, it started on the fan, is that correct?
It did, yeah, it did, and it migrated. A lot of times we hear these things from our customers, like, we love the light, can we use that in other areas of the home too? So it's similar to our industrial to commercial to residential path. When we hear our customers say that they want something in the home, we know there's an unmet need and an opportunity to innovate.
Great. Well, why don't we talk a little bit about how you can fire those fans? They're such beautiful products, and you can have them with or without the light fixture. But the light fixture is so integrated, as we talked about earlier. If you had the light fixture there, you want to be able to fire the fan and the light. So let's talk about those options.
Well, our number one preference is that you don't have to do any work at all, that the fan just responds to your presence, it adjusts speed if the temperature's changing, so that you never have to think about it, because those come standard. We also have a wireless wall control, so you have a local control option. But one of the coolest new features that we're introducing in the next month or two is voice control via Amazon's Echo.
Great.
Yeah, we're really excited about that because, again, we think this should be very simple for you to interact with your product. So saying something as easy as, Alexa, turn my Haiku fan on, will actually set the fan and set the fan light to its on state.
Can we try that?
Sure.
We've got one here. Yeah. Let's try that.
Here's the Amazon Echo, and it's controlling our fans here at the International Builder Show. Alexa, turn Haiku fan on.
Oh, there it goes. All right.
Alexa, turn Haiku light on.
Wow, I mean, that's pretty quick response, and I'm assuming that because if you already have the Echo product integrated in the home, it's just one more control you're getting rid of that doesn't have to be on the wall, can integrate with something you might already have, or maybe for some consumers, this is a way to actually practically integrate vocal command where they might have thought about it, they didn't know exactly how they might employ it. But by having lighting and air movement in a space that you already want that, it might be a way to help integrate or start the integration process, right?
Absolutely, 100% correct. And I think voice is a very natural way to interact with products for people. Remotes get lost, you're not always in front of the wall control. And like I said, there's always those opportunities where you want to change the setting for some reason. So voice is just the easiest, simplest way for a consumer to get what they want. And there's been such a progression in voice technology that it's just becoming so practical in the home. So I think this is a big wave that's coming in terms of how we control and interact with the products, everyday products.
So let's talk about now air quality.
Yeah, this is an outdoor HVAC condenser unit. And air conditioning and heating is really the heart of the home. It's what drives more than half of the home's energy. And you spend a lot of time thinking about how comfortable or more often uncomfortable you are. So you're spending thousands of dollars every year to heat and cool entire areas of your home, whether they're occupied or not. What we're focusing on here is a zone, air-to-air, high-efficiency heating and cooling system that not only looks really great and will operate silently, but will integrate with all of these products. So we'll have temperature, occupancy, humidity sensors all over your home and your everyday products that you're using practically, but it'll also inform the algorithms that drive this system so that you're only introducing as much hot or cool air as you need in the space, not entire rooms or floors of the home that are unoccupied. We'll go into your home, we'll do a site analysis, we'll make recommendations on the sizing. Again, one more thing that you don't really have to think about, you shouldn't have to know how your HVAC system works.
You'll provide the engineering.
We will do that. We'll do an engineered analysis, and then we'll warrant it, we'll take care of it. Our customer experience is always at the heart of everything we do, so the products should look great, they should function really well, and they should deliver conservation without any sacrifice on your part, whether that sacrifice is effort or having to live with products that are unattractive or make noise. Our job, our mission in life is to really deliver those benefits without you having to be conscious of how it's working or making notable sacrifices to get where you want to be.
Sure. Well, that's great. Look, this is just an introduction to how you can start to provide automation, convenience, and air quality within your home across the board. We're here with Alex. We're in Haiku, a division of Big Ass Solutions. For those of you that know Big Ass fans, Big Ass Solutions is the parent company. Haiku is now the new brand of the products that you've seen in this video. For more information, you can check us out right here, or you can find Alex's company at Big Ass Solutions, find them on the net, or on the link in our adepthome.com site. This is Jason at the IBS 2016. Thanks for joining us.